In this lecture, we will learn what a console is and the role that it plays in computer science. In any computer program that you use to write code, there will be a console. The console is responsible for displaying messages, warnings, and errors to the developer. Also note that the console is not seen by the end user of the application, just the developer using the IDE. There are two types of consoles in Pycharm. One is a shell where you can execute commands. The other is a panel where you can view program output, for example, where you can use the print function. This video will focus on that console. The first thing we will do is to use the print function in our file. For example, we will print out the string ABC. Then we will run the code. You will notice that a panel titled Run will appear along the bottom of the screen and display the program output ABC. When I refer to the Python console in this course, I am referring to this panel. There is also a Python console tab that opens up an environment where we can type in commands, but that is separate. There are some buttons along the side of the console that we should be familiar with. The green triangle lets us run the code. The square lets us stop running the code. The button underneath this lets us restore the default layout. Then comes a button to pin the tab in place. We can use the arrows to move up and down in the stack trace. We can use the soft wrap button to enable soft wrap functionality. Scroll lets us immediately jump to the end of the console output. Print allows us to print the console output from a printer if our computer is hooked up to one. The trash can is the clear all button. Clicking it will clear all of the output showing on the console. In the next lecture, we will learn about conditional statements.